Hey everyone, and welcome back. So you just shot a photo and you got some pesky people in that photo that you just don't want there. So you open up Photoshop and you want to get rid of them. Well, I got 3 easy ways to remove those people in Photoshop, starting with the simplest one, content aware fill. So I'm coming from Lightroom. So for this photo, I want to remove these people. So what I would do is I just come down and I'd right click and I just go edit in Adobe Photoshop. And then it'll eventually open up the photo in Photoshop. It just takes a while. It's really, really slow.
Well, we're waiting.
But once we're there, content aware fill is possibly the easiest way to remove people. All you do is you unlock your layer and you come over here to the select tool and you just want to select the people that you want to remove. And then you can either right click, come down to content aware fill, or you can come up to edit content aware fill. Now this green is where it's going to sample from. So sometimes you might get a little weird spot here or there, but you can fix that easily. So you can come up and you can either paint in more area for it to sample from, or you can remove more area. And it changes every time you do this. So I can paint in a lot more rock and maybe some more sky, and you'll see it'll change in there. Now it does an okay job. You can definitely get better than this. Let's just hit apply on that. Hit OK. Command D to deselect. Let's select these people and give it a try. Right click, content aware fill. Yeah, that did a much better job. Hit apply, OK. Command D to deselect, and let's zoom in. Yeah, that's much better than over here. But over here, we can fix that. Also, side note, for whatever reason, you go here and you right click and you hit content aware fill, and this happens. Don't worry, it's fine. Just hit cancel and hit layer 0. The thing is, you were probably on a different layer, so just hit your main layer and then do it again, and it should work. The second way to remove people from a photo is basically Thanos snapping them from existence. You're gonna clone stamp them.
I am inevitable.
So you come over here, the little clone stamp tool, you just hit that, you come over, and you hit option and you select somewhere near where your people are, and you'll carry that little piece of the image over, and then you can just start clone stamping those people away. Now you can come up to here and you can choose your size and your feather. I have it maximum right now, but you can go all the way over to no feather, and then you get that. But you don't want that. So maybe like somewhere in the middle. And then hit option. And somewhere where you're not going to get a double. And you just stamp them away. It's easy as that. They're gone. Super simple. Now the last way to remove people is basically sweep them under the rug. Just hide them. So what I mean by that is you're going to come up to here, you're going to select an area of the photo, and then you're going to right click and you're just going to go layer via copy, and you're just going to take that piece and you're just going to place it over top of them. Then you're going to grab your eraser tool. You want a decent feather on it, hardness, and then just kind of erase the sides. Now, personally, I'd use the content aware tool and the clone stamp tool to remove people. I find that that's a pretty decent balance. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, drop a like, comment, all that crap. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.